Hi children, good morning to all. Today class, grade 3 computer science class. Grade 3 computer science class. So okay children, let us recall once again the lesson taught in the last class. So okay children, let us recall once again the lesson taught in the last class. நம்ம போன வகுப்பில் என்ன பார்த்தோம் அப்படிங்கிறத இந்த வகுப்பில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், ஒரு தடவை திருப்பி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். சி வாட் இஸ் த லெசன் நேம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன் நேம் த கம்ப்யூட்டர். த கம்ப்யூட்டர். வாட் இஸ் எ கம்ப்யூட்டர்? வாட் இஸ் எ கம்ப்யூட்டர்? A computer is a machine. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. See, what is a computer? A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. I am going to tell another one time children. Listen very carefully, okay? What is a computer? A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. கம்ப்யூட்டருங்கிறது ஒரு மெஷின். அது என்ன இருந்தால் தான் வேலை செய்யும்? கரண்ட் இருந்தால் தான் அது வேலை செய்யும். சரிங்களா? வாட் இஸ் எ கம்ப்யூட்டர்? எ கம்ப்யூட்டர் இஸ் எ மெஷின். இட் ஒர்க்ஸ் ஆன் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. சே வாட் இஸ் த ஸ்பெல்லிங் ஃபார் கம்ப்யூட்டர்? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Tell me once again children, what is the spelling for computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Can you tell the letter one by one? What is the spelling for computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Say C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Next, before the class I said how many parts of computer? 4 main parts. How many main parts? 4 main parts. How many main parts? 4 main parts. See, I said before the class how many main parts? 4 main parts. See, what is this? This one monitor. What is this? This one monitor. What is this? This one keyboard. What is this? This one mouse. What is this? This one CPU. See children, see, what is this? This one monitor. What is this? This one monitor. What is this? This one keyboard. What is this? This one CPU. What is this? This one mouse. Say how many main parts? 4 main parts. See, first one. See, what is the spelling for monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. You also tell the spelling children. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. A monitor is a look like a TV screen. நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம், மானிட்டர் பார்க்குறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? டிவி ஸ்க்ரீன் போல இருக்கும். See, next one keyboard. Next one keyboard. What is the spelling for keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Tell me once again children, what is the spelling for keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. See, keyboard has many buttons. keyboard என்ன இருக்கும் நிறைய buttons இருக்கும். keyboard has many buttons. It called keys. It called keys. keyboard has how many keys there? 104 keys. How many keys in that keyboard? 104 keys. We use the keyboard to type letters, type numbers, symbols on that computer. So okay children, third one, mouse. Third one, mouse. What is the spelling for mouse? M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. What is the spelling for mouse? M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Tell me once again, what is the spelling for mouse? M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. A mouse is a pointing device. See children, what is this one? See children, what is this one? This one. What is this? This one. Mouse. What is this? That one. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. A mouse is a pointing device. See, it has lift button. Mouse la parunga enna irukum appadina. See, it is the mouse means. See, left button, right button. Center la one black button is there. It is called the scroll wheel. It is called the scroll wheel. It is called the scroll wheel. So okay children, let us go to next one. Next one, CPU. Next one, CPU. CPU பார்க்கிறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? A CPU looks like a box. CPU looks like a box. CPU பார்க்கிறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஒரு box மாதிரி இருக்கும். CPU looks like a box. A computer cannot work without CPU. கம்ப்யூட்டரை ஆன் பண்ண முடியாது CPU இல்லாமல். நம்மளால ஆன் பண்ண முடியுங்களா? நோ. A computer cannot work without CPU. Okay, what do you mean CPU? C means central, P means processing, U means unit. It's okay children. See, I'm going to tell another one time parts of a computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. See, monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Next, some other parts are there connected to the computer. See, what is this? This one, printer. What is this? This one, what is this name children? This one, printer. This one, printer. See, next, what is this? This one, a speaker. What is this? What is this? This one, printer. What is this? This one, speaker. It's everything connected to the computer. It's everything connected to the computer. So okay children, let us go to next one. See, next one, uses of computers. Next one, uses of computers. கம்ப்யூட்டரை நம்ம எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் பயன்படுத்துவோம்? I said before the class, remaining one, I tell another one time, okay? Uses of computers. We use the computers are different places for different kinds of works. So okay, see, police station, airport, railway station, shops, hotels, banks, offices. These places we are using the computers for different kinds of work. So okay children, see, I'm going to show you. It is not your book, simply I'm going to show the example. Okay, see, uses of a computer. See, draw a paint. நம்ம கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல என்னென்னலாம் பண்ண முடியும்னு பார்க்கலாம். Okay, it's okay. See, draw a paint, play games. See, what? Write letters. Write letters. See, listen music. Listen music. Do sums. Do sums. See children. See. Play games. Play games. See. Draw a picture. What she is doing? She is draw the picture on the computer. She is draw the picture on the computer. What he is doing? He is playing the playing the games. Both of them playing the games. So okay children, let us go to next one. So okay, next one. Why is a computer powerful? See children, why is a computer powerful? See, next one. Why is a computer powerful? Next, why is a computer powerful? Why is a computer powerful? See children, why is a computer powerful? A computer works thousands of actions per second. கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஒரு செகண்டில் எவ்வளோ வேலைகளை செய்யும்? பல்லாயிரம் வேலைகளை செய்ய முடியும். நிறைய வேலைகள் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? ஏகப்பட்ட வேலைகளை வந்து செய்ய முடியும். A computer works. See children, a computer can do thousands of actions per second. A computer works thousands of actions per second. A computer works very accurate. கம்ப்யூட்டர் என்ன பண்ணும்? அக்யூரேட்டாக ரிசல்ட் கொடுக்கும். இட்ஸ் cannot make mistakes. If the mistakes come, it's a common human errors only. It's common the human errors only. So okay children, next I'm going to tell another one time. See, why is a computer powerful? ஏன் நம்ம கம்ப்யூட்டர் பவர்ஃபுல்னு சொல்கிறோம்? Why is a computer powerful? A computer can do thousands of actions. A computer can do the work thousands of actions per second. A computer can do thousands of actions per second. A computer is work very accurate. Computer என்ன பண்ணும்? அதோட வேலைகளை அக்யூரேட்டாக பண்ணும். It's never make mistakes. இது என்ன பண்ணாது? கம்ப்யூட்டர் எப்பவுமே மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணவே பண்ணாது. If the mistakes come only na, it's human errors. It's a human நம்ம இருக்கும் இல்லையா, நம்ம வந்து மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணால் மட்டும்தான் உண்டு. It's a human errors only. It's okay children. Let us go to next one. So okay, next one. How does a computer work? Next one. How does a computer work? See children, next one. How does a computer work? Next one. How does a computer work? Before the class I said a computer works in 3 steps. What is this? How does a computer work? A computer works in 3 steps. See children, a computer works in 3 steps. It's called the IPO cycle. It's called the IPO cycle. See, what is this? IPO cycle. It is called the IPO cycle. I means input, P means processing, O means output. See children, see, I means input, P means processing, O means output. See, first one, IPO. It's called the IPO cycle. I means input, P means process, P means processing, O means output. See children, what is this? IPO cycle. What is this? IPO cycle. How does a computer work? A computer work in 3 steps. Computer work in 3 steps. IPO cycle. What does this I means? Input, P means processing, O means output. See, input means accepts data. A, C, E, P, T, S accepts data. See, processing means process data. P, R, O, C, E, S, S, E, S. Data. See, output means produces data. P, R, O, D, U, C, E, S. Output. See children, how does a computer work? How does a computer work? See children, what is this? How does a computer work? See children, what is this? How does a computer work? First one, IPO cycle. IPO cycle. I mean input, P means processing, O means output. See, I mean input, P means processing, O mean output. See, accepts data means called the input. Process data means processing. See, produce data means output. See, I am going to tell one example. See children, see, what is this? See, banana is there, milk is here. See, it is called the input. Mixie is here, it is called the mixie. After that, jar is there, it is called the processing. Juice is here, it is called output. See children, listen the carefully children. இங்க பாருங்க, IPO cycle. I na என்னது? Input, P na processing, O na output. ஒரு ஜார்ல என்ன இருக்கு? milk இருக்கு. இங்க பழம் இருக்கு இல்லையா? இது it is called the input. இவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க? மிக்ஸி ஜார்ல பாருங்க, இது மில்க்கையும் பனானாவையும் போட்டு என்ன பண்றாங்க? இங்க ஜூஸ் பண்றாங்க. இட்ஸ் கால்டு த processing. It is called the processing. See, one tumblerல milk வந்துட்டு juice வந்து ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லையா? It is called the output. See, input இங்க வந்து தயாரா இருக்கு, இங்க வந்து ரெடியா இருக்கிறது it is input. இங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க? மிக்ஸி ஜார்ல போட்டு ரெடி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? It is called the processing. இங்க என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? இங்க வந்து ஜூஸ் வந்து ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு. It is called the output. It is called the output. Say, I means input, P means processing, O means output. So okay children, next, a computer has the different parts. It called the device. கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல நிறைய பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. அதோட நேம் என்ன? எல்லாத்தோட நேமும் சேர்த்து டிவைஸ். A computer has different parts called the device. A computer has different parts called the device. See children, let us go to next one. See children, next, a computer has different parts called the devices. A computer has different parts, it is called the devices. There are 3 types of devices there. How many types of devices? 3 types. See, first one, input devices, processing device, output device. How many devices there? How many types? 3 types. First one, input devices, processing device. Third one, output device. See children, first one, input devices. Input devices. DEVICES. What is the spelling for input? INPUT. Input. Tell me once again. INPUT. Input devices. 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 Input devices. How many types? How many types, Pam? 3 types. First one, input devices. Second one, processing devices. Second one, processing. P. You also tell the spelling. PROCE. What is the spelling of processing? PROCESSING. Processing a device. Second one, processing device. 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 Processing device. First one, input devices. Second one, processing device. Third one, output device. Third one, output device. DEVICE. Output device. See children, how many types? 3 types. First one, input devices. Second one, processing device. Third one, output device. You also tell the children. First one, input devices, processing device. Third one, output device. So okay children, see first one, what is the input devices? See, what is the input devices? What is the input devices? Say children, what is the input? What is the spelling for input devices first of all? INPUT. Input devices. 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 We give the instructions to the computer. We give the instructions to the computer. See, what is this? We give the instructions to the computers. See, input. I'm going to write that input devices example. Do you know children? What is the example come for the input devices? என்னென்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள்லாம் வந்து இன்புட் டிவைஸ்க்கு வரும்? நம்ம இதெல்லாம் இன்புட் டிவைஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். இதெல்லாம் இன்புட் டிவைஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம்பா. சி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், கீபோர்ட், மவுஸ், microphone, scanner. See, what is this? I'm going to write here input devices. See first one, input devices. See first one, input devices. What is this? What is this first one? Scanner. What is this first one? What is this first one? Scanner. Second one, keyboard. Second one, keyboard. See, third one, mouse. Third one, mouse. Third one, mouse. See children, what is this? How many types? There are different parts is there. It's called the hardware. First, how many types is there? 3 types. How many எத்தனை வகைகள் இருக்கு? எத்தனை types இருக்கு? 3 types. First one, input devices. First one, input devices. Second one, processing device. Third one, output device. See, what is a input device? We give the instruction to the computer. See, example, we give the instructions to the computer. See, I wrote this input device example. input device example. First one scanner. இது எல்லாமே input device ஓட example. Okay children, first one scanner, keyboard, mouse. What is this? Scanner, keyboard, mouse. What is this? Scanner, keyboard, mouse. Next one processing device. Next one processing device. What is the spelling for processing device? P R O C E S S I N G. Processing device. D E V I C E. Device. Here it's a process the data. It's process the data in the CPU. See, second one processing device. Second one processing device. See children. See, it is the process data is running here. See, a process data is running here. It is called the processing device. Here some input is ready here. Here processing data is running here. It's get output. Juice get the juice. We get that ready juice. So it is called that output. So what is that processing data means? To process the data. To process the data in that CPU. அந்த டேட்டாலாம் வேலைலாம் எங்கே நடந்துட்டுருக்கு? அந்த ப்ராசஸிங் டேட்டாலாம் என்ன நடக்குது? அங்கே அதுக்கு உண்டான வேலைகள்லாம் நடந்துட்டுருக்கு. இப்போ இதில் எது ப்ராசஸிங் டேட்டா? திஸ் ஒன் இன்புட். இப்போ ஜூஸ் மிக்ஸி ஜாரில் ஜூஸ் போடுறாங்க இல்லையா, இது ப்ராசஸிங். இட் ஒன் அவுட்புட். ஸோ ப்ராசஸிங் டேட்டா மீன்ஸ் ப்ராசஸ் த டேட்டா. வேலைகள் நடக்கிறது தான் ப்ராசஸிங் த டேட்டா. Next one output. Next one output. Next one output. Output means we get that result. We get that result shown the computer. We get the result. கடைசியா நமக்கு ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா, it is called the output device. இப்போ இந்த இதில் எது நமக்கு அவுட்புட் டிவைஸ், எது ரிசல்ட், எதில் நமக்கு ரிசல்ட் கிடைச்சிருக்கு? See, டம்ளர் ஜூஸ் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, இட் இஸ் கால்ட் தி அவுட்புட். இட் இஸ் கால்ட் தி அவுட்புட் டிவைஸ். வி கெட் தட் ரிசல்ட். See, this one input. இங்கே ப்ராசஸ் நடக்குது, டம்ளர் ஜூஸ் கிடைச்சிருச்சு இல்லையா, இட் இஸ் கால்ட் தி அவுட்புட். வி கெட் தட் ரிசல்ட். இங்கே ரெடியாக இருக்குது, இங்கே ப்ராசஸ் நடக்குது. இங்கே என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, நமக்கு அவுட்புட்டில் ரிசல்ட் கிடைச்சாச்சு, அதாவது ஜூஸ் வந்து ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு. இட் இஸ் கால்டு தி IPO cycle. But what the process is going here? We get that result. It is called the output. நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்னு புரியுதா கண்ணா? நீங்கள் பாருங்கள், அவுட்புட்டில் நமக்கு வந்து ரிசல்ட்டு கிடைக்கணும். இங்கே என்ன ரிசல்ட் கிடைச்சிருக்கு? டம்ளரில் ஜூஸ் கிடைச்சிருக்கு இல்லையா, இட் இஸ் கால்டு தி அவுட்புட். So okay children, I am going to write that example of output devices. Example of output devices. What is the spelling for output? O-U-T. Output. P-U-T. Output. See, first one monitor. First one monitor. What is spelling for monitor? I said more times. What is spelling for monitor? M-O-N-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. What is the spelling for monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Next one printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer. Printer நம்ம எதுக்காக பயன்படுத்துவோம்? We can take the printout on that paper. நம்ம ஒர்க் ஷீட்டு எக்ஸாம் பேப்பர்ஸ் ஏதாவது சம்திங் என்னெல்லாம் டைப் பண்ணுறோமோ அதை we can take the print out on the paper. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், print out எடுத்துக்கலாம். What is this printer? P. What is the spelling for printer? P R I N T E R. Printer. What is the spelling for printer? P R I N T E R. Printer. Next one, speakers. S P E A K E R S. The speakers. Next one, speakers. See children, I am going to tell another one time. See, how many types? 3 types. How many types? 3 types. A computer has worked in different parts called the device. There are 3 types of devices there. What and all? First one, input devices, processing device, output device. See, input devices, processing device, output device. Input device means we give the instructions to the computer. I mean, I said before itself, banana and milk is called the input. I said banana and milk, it is called that input. See, what is this? Banana and milk, it is called that input. As well as, so example, scanner, keyboard, mouse. Scanner, keyboard, mouse. See, next one, processing device. What is a processing device? A processing device means process the data in the CPU. Next one, output device. We get that result show on the monitor. நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும், அவுட்புட் டிவைஸில் ரிசல்ட்டை பார்க்க முடியும். What is see examples of output here? First one, monitor. Printer. See, speakers. First one, monitor. What is a monitor? A monitor is a look like a TV screen. Monitor பார்க்கிறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும், TV screen மாதிரி இருக்கும். Next one, printer. Third one, speakers. Printer நம்ம எதுக்காக பயன்படுத்துவோம்? We use the printer to take the print out. நமக்கு தேவையான print out எடுத்துக்க முடியும். Speakers, we can hear the sounds. So okay children, let us go to next one. See, next one. See, what is his name? His name or Rohit. What is his name? His name or Rohit. She is his teacher. Say, what is his name? His name Rohit. She is a teacher. He is asking parts of computer hard and some soft. He is asking to Miss. Miss said the answer, no Rohit, it is not like that. I will explain about hardware and software. இவங்க பேர் என்னது, ரோஹித். இவங்க யார், இவங்களோட மிஸ்ஸு. இவங்க வந்துட்டு மிஸ் கிட்ட கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறாங்க. மிஸ் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து இவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, இவங்க கேட்குற கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில் சொல்கிறாங்க. இவங்க என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, ஹார்ட்வேர்னா என்ன, சாஃப்ட்வேர்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு நான் இப்போ உனக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், see children, a computer has 2 parts. First one, hardware, second one, software. First see, a computer can divided the 2 parts. The first one, hardware, second one, software. See children, what does this? How many parts of divided? 2 parts. How many parts of divided? 2 parts. How many parts of divided? 2 parts. A computer can divide the 2 parts. First one hardware, second one software. First one hardware, first one hardware, second one software. See, first one hardware, second one software. See children, how a computer has divided in the two parts. Computer வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, ரெண்டு பார்ட்ஸா பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க. First one hardware, second one software. See children, first one hardware, second one software. See, what is a hardware? See children, what is a hardware? So okay children, see some parts are, see children, we split that into two types. First one hardware, second one software. First one hardware, second one software. First one hardware, second one software. What is the spelling for hardware? H-A-R-D-W-A-R-E. Hardware. Second one software. S-O-F-T. Software. W-A-R-E. Software. So okay children, some parts are devices connected to the computer. It is called the hardware. After that we give the instructions to the hardware to work. It is called the software. See, hardware means devices. See, hardware means devices. What is this? Hardware means devices. Hardware means devices. Software means instructions. I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S. Instructions. See children, what is this? A computer system means hardware plus software equal to a computer system. Computer na enna pa, hardware software ininjadhaan a computer. It's okay children, we heard learn about what and all we heard learn about in this class. Let's recall one time. Remaining we will see the next class. Still what we heard learn from in this class. Okay, see what we have learned. What is a computer? Next, what is the spelling for computer? Next one, parts of a computer. How many parts? 4 parts. Next, why is a computer powerful? ஏன் வந்து கம்ப்யூட்டர் பவர்ஃபுல் நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட், ஹவு டஸ் ஏ கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஒர்க்? A computer works in 3 steps. IPO cycle. I means input, P means processing, O means output. See, next topic. There are 3 devices. First one, input devices, processing devices, output devices. Processing device means we give the instructions. Processing device means process the data. Output means we get that result. See, and next one, computer has 2 types, divided the 2 parts. First one hardware, second one software. So okay children, listen these videos carefully. Remaining we will see in that next class. Okay, thank you.